Did you know that 88% of millionaires read for at least 30 minutes a day, focusing on self-improvement or educational topics? This habit of daily reading is not just a casual pastime for them. It's a deliberate strategy to gain knowledge, stay ahead in their fields, and continuously improve themselves. Whether it's a book on leadership, a biography of a successful entrepreneur, or the latest research in their industry, millionaires understand the power of the written word. That's right, they're not just binge-watching Netflix. While many people might spend their evenings glued to their favorite shows, millionaires are more likely to be found with a book in hand, absorbing new information and ideas. This doesn't mean they never relax with a good movie or series, but they prioritize their time differently, ensuring that learning and growth are always at the forefront. This dedication to learning is just one of the many surprising habits that set millionaires apart. They are constantly seeking out opportunities to expand their knowledge, whether through formal education, attending seminars and workshops, or simply engaging in thoughtful discussions with peers. This relentless pursuit of self-improvement is a key factor in their success. It's easy to think that their wealth comes from luck or inheritance, but the truth is far more interesting. While some may have had a fortunate start, the majority of millionaires have built their wealth through hard work, smart decisions, and a commitment to continuous learning. They understand that true success is not a matter of chance, but the result of consistent effort and strategic planning. Join me as I dive into the surprising secrets of millionaires and see if I can uncover what really sets them apart. We'll explore their daily routines, their mindset, and the unique strategies they use to achieve and maintain their wealth. By understanding these principles, you too can apply them to your own life and work towards your own version of success. So let's get started on this fascinating journey into the world of millionaires. Look, we all know the stereotype. Millionaires are all about luxury cars, fancy watches, and lavish vacations. But let me tell you, that's just the surface. What truly sets them apart is their mindset, their habits, and their relentless pursuit of knowledge. They understand that the more you learn, the more you earn. They're like sponges, constantly absorbing information, whether it's from books, podcasts, or surrounding themselves with brilliant minds. And you know what? That thirst for knowledge, it's contagious. Here's a hard truth. Relying on a single source of income is like putting all your eggs in one basket. Millionaires, they get that. They understand that in today's volatile economic landscape, having just one stream of income is risky. It's like walking a tightrope without a safety net. If that single source dries up, you're left scrambling. But millionaires, they don't just rely on one paycheck, they spread their risk across various income streams. They understand the power of diversification. Diversification is not just a buzzword, it's a strategy. By spreading their investments across different sectors, stocks, real estate, businesses, they minimize risk and maximize potential returns. It's like having a well-balanced diet. You get all the nutrients you need to stay healthy. They're not just clocking in and out of a 9 to 5. They've got side hustles, investments, and entrepreneurial ventures. These individuals are constantly on the move, always looking for the next opportunity. They understand that time is money and they make every second count. Whether it's working late nights on a new project or managing multiple tasks throughout the day, their hustle never stops. Rental properties, you name it. Real estate is a favorite among millionaires because it provides a steady stream of passive income. They invest in properties, rent them out, and watch their wealth grow. It's not just about buying and selling, it's about managing and maintaining a portfolio that generates income month after month. They've built multiple streams of income, so even if one takes a hit, they're still financially secure. This is the essence of financial resilience. By having various income sources, they ensure that a downturn in one area doesn't spell disaster. It's like having multiple lifelines. If one fails, others are there to keep you afloat. It's about creating a safety net, a financial fortress that can weather any storm. This fortress is built on a foundation of smart investments, diversified income streams, and continuous learning. Millionaires are always educating themselves, staying ahead of market trends, and adapting to changes. They know that financial security isn't a destination. It's a journey that requires constant vigilance and effort. Let's talk investments. Millionaires don't just throw their money at the latest trends, they're strategic. They do their research, they understand risk versus reward, and they're not afraid to play the long game. They see investing as a way to build wealth passively, to make their money work for them. Whether it's real estate, stocks, or even starting their own businesses, they're always looking for opportunities to grow their wealth. Chapter 4. Time is money, the millionaire's mantra. You know the saying, time is money? Millionaires live by it. They understand that time is their most valuable asset, and they're not about to waste it. They're incredibly efficient with their schedules. They delegate tasks they're not good at, and they're masters at prioritizing what truly matters. They focus on high-impact activities that move the needle, and they're ruthless about cutting out the noise. Chapter 5. The power of networking, building a millionaire circle. Ever heard the saying, your network is your net worth? Millionaires get it. They understand that building strong relationships is crucial for success. They attend industry events, connect with mentors, and surround themselves with ambitious, like-minded individuals. They know that iron sharpens iron, and they're constantly seeking out opportunities to learn from the best. Chapter 6. Frugality, the secret weapon of millionaires. Here's a surprise. Many millionaires are incredibly frugal. They don't feel the need to flaunt their wealth with flashy cars and designer clothes. They'd rather drive a reliable used car, live below their means, and invest the difference. They understand that true wealth isn't about showing off, it's about financial security and freedom. Chapter 7. Setting goals. Like a millionaire aiming for the stars. Millionaires don't just dream about success, they plan for it. They set clear, specific, and measurable goals, and they break them down into actionable steps. They have a vision for their future, and they're relentless in their pursuit of it. They understand that a goal without a plan is just a wish, and they're not about to leave their success to chance. Chapter 8. Bouncing back. The resilience of millionaires. Let's face it, life throws curveballs, but millionaires, they're masters at bouncing back. They see failure as a learning opportunity, a chance to refine their approach and come back stronger. They're adaptable, they're persistent, and they don't let setbacks derail them from their goals. They understand that the road to success is rarely linear, and they're willing to weather the storms to reach their destination. Chapter 9. The never-ending journey of self-improvement. Here's the thing about millionaires. They're never content with mediocrity. They're committed to constant self-improvement, whether it's learning new skills, expanding their knowledge, or working on their personal growth. They understand that success is an ongoing journey, not a destination, and they're always striving to become the best versions of themselves. Chapter 10. Giving back, the Millionaire Legacy. Millionaires understand that true wealth isn't just about accumulating money, it's about making a difference. They're often involved in philanthropy, giving back to their communities and supporting causes they believe in. They see their wealth as a tool to create positive change, and they're committed to leaving the world a better place than they found it. The millionaire mindset, it's contagious. So there you have it. 10 uncommon traits of millionaires that might surprise you. These traits are not just random habits, but are deeply ingrained in their daily routines and thought processes. These aren't just about money. They're about mindset, habits, and a unique approach to life. Millionaires often focus on personal growth, mental well-being, and physical health, which all contribute to their overall success. Remember that financial success is a journey, and by adopting some of these principles, you can start paving your own path to wealth. It's about consistency, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Now, I want to hear from you. Your journey is unique, and your insights can inspire others. Which of these secrets surprised you the most? Was it the importance of mental well-being, the focus on continuous learning, or perhaps the unconventional networking strategies? Let me know in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable and helps create a community of like-minded individuals striving for success. And if you're hungry for more financial tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other videos. I cover a wide range of topics from investment strategies to personal development, all aimed at helping you achieve financial freedom. Until next time, keep hustling and stay focused on your financial goals. Remember, the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay dedicated, keep learning, and never give up on your dreams. Your future self will thank you for the hard work and dedication you put in today. So go out there, take action, and make your financial dreams a reality. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights and inspiration. Together, we can achieve greatness. See you in the next video.